Hello everyone, Chad Coleman, founder of Hero Smith here with a awesome tip for Alfred, the custom website builder. So, since COVID hit with the increased use of social media, platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn and really all the social networks have really tried to limit the file size of things that people share to a certain extent, especially when they're sharing website links. So, a lot of times when you go to paste like your blog article on a social network, typically it will just pull in whatever the smallest image is. A lot of times that'll be your logo because it's a small image that's persistent on your site, so it'll automatically try to pull that in, can be really frustrating because you don't want all your posts, to just have your logo or part of your logo on there. So one of the great things about Alfred is you can actually tell these social platforms what image you want to put in there. So I'm on Inspired Wellness Center, a wonderful acupuncture clinic here in the greater Denver area that really focuses on infertility, pain management. Great organization. They have a wonderful website. I'm super proud to have worked with them. They've written this great article called COVID-19 and Back to School, put a lot of effort into it. So it's really important to them to have it show its best when you post it on social media. So I want to show you a little trick that will allow you to control what image shows up here. So as you can see, Lisa, the author of this article and one of the acupuncturists that works at Inspired Wellness Center, has done a great job. She gave her blog article a great title that's search engine friendly. She also includes that title in the title tag area we have right here built into Alfred, and also the meta description area. She did a good job writing all that. One of the cool features, though, of Alfred is that you can actually, here's where you control, this little tab right next to the Google tab is where you control what things show up on what images. So I went ahead and copied and pasted the share title and share description from her Google title and Google description. However, it can be really nice to, because often what you want Google to see, keyword stuff, is not what is perfect for potential customers who happen to be looking at your social media feeds. So you can actually customize what shows up when you share a blog article, even so much as the picture. You just simply click on this area here and then choose the file that you want to upload. I've actually already done this. We put this image in here. It's the same image that's on their big preview. Wouldn't it be nice if that was a choice in Facebook or any of these other platforms to just choose that image, but they no longer offer that option. And then we hit save. And now when we go and we paste their article onto Facebook, as you can see, it pulls in the image that we selected. If we hadn't done this, then it would have simply probably pulled their logo or whatever the smallest image on that particular page was. Now, here's the funny thing though. If Jana and the folks at Inspired Wellness had pasted the same link on their feed recently without loading a preview image, once you do that, the social media platform tends to cache, meaning store, the image that it first pulls in. So you want to make sure before you post your articles, perhaps even when you're creating them, you use this tab to customize what people will see on their social media feeds. Because if you don't, it'll keep the default, typically one's logo, as the cached thing over here on Facebook or any other social network. Well, hope you enjoyed this Alfred tip. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel for more tips on how to use Alfred effectively. See you next time.